Hi there, welcome to my channel where I dive into fascinating economic trends and analyze their impact on society. The US dollar has long been the cornerstone of the global financial system, serving as the world's dominant reserve currency and the standard for international trade. However, recent developments indicate that this dominance is slowly but steadily eroding. Factors such as economic shifts, geopolitical tensions, and the rise of alternative currencies and technologies are challenging the dollar's supremacy in global finance, raising questions about the future landscape of international monetary systems. Before I continue, however, do visit our website where I curate news and publications from international financial organizations and world central banks. Please also subscribe to this channel and be informed whenever we publish a new video. Historically, the US dollar's dominance was established post-World War II with the Bretton Woods Agreement in 1944, which pegged the dollar to gold and positioned it as the anchor of the international monetary system. Even after the collapse of the Bretton Woods system in the 1970s, the dollar maintained its preeminent position, supported by the United States' economic strength, military influence, and its widespread use in global trade and finance. Recent data from the International Monetary Fund highlight a gradual decline in the dollar's share of global foreign exchange reserves. Over the past 2 decades, the dollar's share has decreased, while non-traditional reserve currencies, such as the Chinese renminbi, Australian dollar, and Canadian dollar have gained ground. This trend reflects a broader pattern of diversification among central banks, which are increasingly seeking alternatives to the dollar to mitigate risks and take advantage of higher yields offered by other currencies. Several key factors contribute to the waning influence of the US dollar. The rise of emerging market economies, particularly China, India, and Brazil, has played a significant role in challenging the dollar's dominance. These countries have increased their share of global GDP and are actively promoting the use of their currencies in international trade. China's renminbi, for example, has made notable inroads as a reserve currency, although its progress has recently stalled. The inclusion of the renminbi in the IMF's special drawing rights basket in 2016 marked a significant milestone, signaling the currency's growing importance on the global stage. Geopolitical tensions have also contributed to the decline of the dollar's influence. The US has increasingly used the dollar as a tool of foreign policy, particularly through the imposition of economic sanctions. Countries like Russia and Iran, facing US sanctions, have made concerted efforts to reduce their dependence on the dollar. Moreover, the broader geopolitical landscape, including US-China trade tensions and the Russia-Ukraine conflict, has accelerated the push for de-dollarization in certain regions. The rise of digital currencies and advancements in financial technology have further challenged the dollar's dominance. Central bank digital currencies and cryptocurrencies offer new alternatives to the traditional dollar-dominated financial system. China's digital yuan, for example, is part of a broader strategy to internationalize its currency and reduce reliance on the US dollar. Additionally, digital financial technologies have made it easier for central banks to diversify their reserves, contributing to the growth of non-traditional currencies in global portfolios. Bilateral trade agreements that bypass the dollar also reflect the shifting dynamics in global finance. Countries within BRICS have explored using their national currencies for trade among themselves, reducing their reliance on the dollar. Although these initiatives are still in their infancy and face significant challenges, they represent a clear intent to move away from a dollar-centric financial system. Despite these challenges, the US dollar is likely to remain the world's primary reserve currency for the foreseeable future. However, its dominance is no longer uncontested. The ongoing diversification of global reserves and the rise of alternative currencies suggest a future where the dollar will share its position with other major currencies like the euro and the renminbi. This shift could lead to a multipolar currency system, reducing the singular influence of the US dollar in global finance. The gradual decline of the US dollar's dominance in the global financial system reflects broader economic and geopolitical shifts. As emerging markets continue to grow and alternative financial systems develop, the world may see a more diversified currency landscape. While the dollar will likely remain a central player, its era of unchallenged supremacy may be coming to an end. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this analysis insightful. If you did, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this. As always, I appreciate your support.